Articles and prepositions are small but mighty words in English. They might seem simple, but they play a big role in making your sentences clear and natural. Imagine trying to build a house without nails or glue. It would be difficult to hold everything together. Similarly, articles and prepositions act like the glue that holds your English sentences together, helping your ideas flow smoothly. Think about the difference between saying "I went to store" and "I went to the store." Adding the article that tells us that you're talking about a specific store. Prepositions do a similar job by showing the relationship between different words in a sentence. For instance, "The book is on the table" tells us the book's location because of the preposition on. Without a good understanding of articles and prepositions, your English might sound a bit off to native speakers, even if the rest of your grammar is perfect. Mastering these little words will make a big difference in your fluency and confidence. Let's break down these tiny but important words. Articles. In English, we have two types of articles, definite and indefinite. The definite article is the, and it's used when we are talking about something specific that both the speaker and the listener know about. For example, "The dog chased the ball" implies that we are talking about a specific dog and ball, not just any dog or ball. On the other hand, indefinite articles, a and an, are used when we talk about something for the first time or something not specific. We use a before words that start with a consonant sound, like a cat or a university, even though university starts with the vowel U. We use an before words that start with a vowel sound, like an apple or an hour. Now let's move on to prepositions. Prepositions are words that tell us about the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. They can tell us about time, place, or direction. Some common prepositions include in, on, at, under, over, above, below, beside, between, with, and for. For example, "The cat is under the table" tells us the cat's location in relation to the table. "I will meet you at 7 p.m. tells us the time of the meeting. "She went to the park with her friend" tells us about the direction and companion of the subject. Choosing the right preposition is essential for conveying the correct meaning. Mastering articles and prepositions takes time and practice. Here are some practical tips. First, pay attention to articles and prepositions when you are reading and listening to English. Notice how they are used in different contexts. Second, practice using articles and prepositions in your own writing and speaking. You can start by copying sentences from books or websites and then trying to create your own similar sentences. Third, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they are learning a new language. The important thing is to learn from your mistakes and keep practicing. And finally, use online resources and grammar books. There are many helpful websites and books that can help you learn more about articles and prepositions. Remember, even small steps every day can lead to big improvements over time. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find yourself using articles and prepositions like a pro.